Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to lock the audio position while playing with the PlayStation VR2. To begin this process, we must have our PlayStation VR2 helmet well connected to the PS5 console. Once we have it connected and turned on, we can go to its configuration. To do this, we will enter the settings option of the main screen. Then click on the category of Accessories, and in the new window, click on PlayStation VR2 in the left panel. Here we will look for the option of Lock Audio Position and click on the switch to activate it. With this option, we can lock the position of the stereo audio so that the audio source does not move with the 2D screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.